Welcome to Performance and Materials Management in the Built Environment. This is one of several courses PMI has developed to support built environment professionals to further their learning and development, and as part of the Construction Professional in the Built Environment project. We are happy to have you on board. Click Begin to get started. In this section, you will learn the context and objectives of the course, an overview of performance measurement and materials management, the subjects that will be covered in the course, and guidelines for getting the most out of the course. Click Next to continue. Measuring built environment project performance and effective materials management is a vital part of the project management process. In this course, we will focus on two areas: performance measurement and materials management. Click Next to learn more. Getting valid data is a prerequisite for effective performance measurement. If you have poor quality data coming in, you are more likely to make a bad project decision no matter how good your metrics are. This can result in performance problems and other issues in the project lifecycle. The lack of an effective performance measurement and materials management strategy can affect the project downstream, often resulting in cost, time, or scope changes later in its lifecycle. Establishing a strategy for performance measurement and materials management that defines the key inputs and outputs is vital to the success of your project. To do this, built environment firms must foster an open culture to identify risks and issues. This allows them to monitor performance and mitigate problems before they arise, and ensure performance is managed throughout the project lifecycle. The objective of performance measurement and materials management is to set up the metrics and key performance indicators, or KPIs, needed to track, monitor, and control a project through to its successful delivery. This ensures that the right information on project time, cost, and materials is available to make timely and informed decisions. Performance measurement tracks and monitors a project's likelihood to deliver its project outcomes. By measuring and understanding how time and effort are spent, teams can adjust and allocate additional resources or tools to the areas that need them the most in order to reach a project's goals. The Construction Industry Institute, or CII, defines performance measurement as the systematic process of measuring an organization's performance against recognized leaders for the purpose of determining best practices that lead to superior performance when adapted and utilized. CII defines materials management as a complex and comprehensive process involving people, organizations, technologies, and processes that manage the definition, source planning, quantification, supplier qualification, purchasing, supplier quality assurance and quality control, expediting, transportation, logistics, and control of materials and associated information across the life cycle of a capital project. CII has identified the key materials management activities listed here. Take a moment to review these and click Next when you are ready to continue. This course is broken into the 8 sections listed here across performance measurement and materials management. The first 4 sections focus upon performance measurement. Throughout these sections, you will learn how to establish a robust performance strategy, establish metrics and KPIs to measure and track progress in your project, and understand the tools and techniques needed to foster an open culture that encourages early problem identification and resolution. The second 4 sections focus upon materials management. During these sections, you will learn how to plan and implement an end-to-end materials management process throughout the project lifecycle, and how strategy and planning can affect the critical path and lead times in materials management. You will also learn the operations around materials management and the importance material management plays to the overall success of a project, how technology plays a major role in removing waste from processes, and how new technologies can be leveraged in the built environment industry. To get the most out of each section in the course, you should access the recommended further readings, download the documents and templates, and complete the quick quizzes. Congratulations! You have now completed the Introduction to the Performance and Materials Management course. In the next section, Setting Up Your Project's Performance Strategy, you will learn about the importance of key project variables such as schedule, cost, environment, health and safety, risk, and sustainability. In that section, you will also learn the importance of detailing the project strategy for progress measurement and defining the key inputs and outputs to set up your project's performance strategy from the start.